Act on Climate. Hey guys, it's Connor again, and I am here with another vlog, which is Act on Climate. So yeah. So about Act on Climate, this is about like the first time an American president has taken a big act to clean up the climate in the United States, which is awesome. And I would love to have the climate be much better, because if the climate is not better, therefore the skies will be dirtier. The skies will be dirtier. I won't get headaches as often. Most people won't get headaches or anything else as often. And yeah. So I hope the thing, I forgot what it's called, that Barack Obama made can go through and the climate can become better for everyone. So yeah. It would be awesome to have the climate be much better, to have like a bunch of less pollution, all of the stuff like that. It would be totally awesome to have a cleaner United States climate, like cleaner than we do already in some states. Like in like where there's so many trees, like on the eastern coast area, where there's a lot of trees, a lot of oxygen, clean air, but there's still probably litterers that is destroying the climate and destroying the air. And we need to help that like all across the world. So this is why we should act on climate. To help the world, to help the United States. Sorry about that, a friend just FaceTimed me. And I declined to finish the video. Well, I would love to see the act go through and the whole climate just goes all the way, just goes from horribly bad to amazingly good. So yeah. Thank y'all. Peace.